Hello, model railroad fans. Well, I've got everything off the top except the track. I'm going to wait till fall to do that. I did take off the wings, the turnouts on the wings, so I can take those to New Hampshire. But yeah, you could see the whole layout without the buildings or the signals or the just plug lights. I have to take the fishermen off and my campers. And then right now I'm going to begin taking off the switch motors underneath. Since I'm going to have a completely different layout, none of them will be in the same place as they are now. And then next fall, I'll take up and salvage as much track as I can. And then I'll probably just pry off this 1-inch piece of foam here. Cut that off. Maybe I can, just use a circular saw and cut it, most of it, just break off pieces. It's all glued onto plywood, so I don't think it's gonna come off very easy. But that I'll just throw away along with whatever landscaping is on it. The cork probably go. I don't think you can take that up without tearing it up. And then the grass and the ballast, that'll all go along with the streets. So everything else I can reuse. I'll probably keep the hills. I'll cut out my little shaper sheet hills and my corner rocks, keep those. Actually, I might just move that rock over in the corner. Leave this closest one where it is. So yeah, previously I showed you on the last video the track design, and I think that's about it. Get these switch motors off and some of my infrared sensors under there. Start cutting out the wiring, throwing that away. It's not going to be any good. So a few pictures of my salvage material. Oh, before that, here's all my buildings over here on the workbench. I'll put a plastic cover over them for the summer. And yeah, so okay, got to get to work, get that switch motors off. Thanks for watching.